Our world is fueled by the performance of millions of invisible energy-intensive assets at work all around us. Like HVAC systems that keep us safe and comfortable in buildings, heat exchangers and control systems that regulate manufacturing processes, and wind turbines that generate electricity. Assets like these are unconnected, underserved, and overlooked. Yet, every one of them is an opportunity waiting to be unlocked. We can take advantage of these opportunities, fine-tuning efficiencies and dialing up productivity while turning off waste and unnecessary operating costs. At mCloud, we are harnessing the collective power of IoT, AI, and the cloud to connect these assets and the workers who operate and maintain them, to take the right actions at the right time that unlock their fullest potential. Through our platform, Asset Care, we provide solutions that help you continuously drive the performance of these assets, maximize their efficiency, and take action on ESG issues such as the sustainability and carbon footprint of your business. mCloud helps operators triple the speed at which they respond to unplanned events, empower facilities to reduce their maintenance footprint by up to 50%, and drive businesses to eliminate tons of CO2 equivalent emissions every year. And with over 24 million assets within our reach waiting to be connected, we're just getting started. Every connection mCloud makes is one step forward in the journey to a fully digitized, fully realized net zero future. Every connection helps businesses everywhere move swiftly towards a high-performance, decarbonized, and exponential tomorrow, which is exactly what our world needs, right now. Let us help you unlock the untapped opportunity in your business.